Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a question which is from the topic gravitation, which is asked in 27 January 2024 JEE Main exam Shift 1. So let me read out the question first. Acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth is g. If mass of earth remains same but radius is half, then find the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. So what we'll do, we'll first write the first case. So in first case, the mass is capital M, the radius of the earth is r, and on this surface, the acceleration due to gravity is g, which can be written as gm upon r square. This is the simple expression of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth, where capital G is universal gravitational constant, m is mass of the earth, r is radius of the earth. Now in the second case, this is first case from the question. In the second case, what has been given? The mass of the earth remains same, but radius is half. Radius become r by 2. So what will happen to acceleration due to gravity? G prime. So we can write in a very simple way without solving much. In both the cases, mass are same and gravitational constant are same. So for the second case, I can write G prime is equal to G m prime upon r by 2 whole square. So either you can divide this equation 1 and 2, then you can get the relationship between G and G prime. Simply you can do to save your time, to make it more quick. In the first case, gravitational constant is there. In the second case, gravitational constant is there. That's why they are constant. And from the question, it is clear that in both the cases, mass of the earth remains same. So m is also same. So one can directly write G is inversely proportional to r square. Acceleration due to gravity is inversely proportional to radius square in first case. In second case, G prime is inversely proportional to 1 by r by 2 whole square. Inversely proportional to r by 2 whole square. So one can divide these two things. G prime upon G. That is 1 by. So this can also be written as G prime is equal to, is proportional to 4 upon r square. So directly I am writing here G prime is 4 upon r square divided by, for G I can write 1 upon r square. So r square cancel. So G prime will become 4G. G prime will become 4G. So acceleration due to gravity will become 4G. Or simply in this case, you can divide equation 1 by 2, equation 2 by 1. So G prime is equal to G M. So it cannot be M prime because both M and M prime are same. So even if you are taking M prime, you can cut it. No problem. So Gm upon r square by 4 divided by Gm upon r square. So if you cancel Gm and r square, you can get here G. You can get G prime by G is equal to 4. So G prime will become 4G. So basically in this kind of question, always use a trick. Take whatever things are constant. If something are constant, just note them and try to write the equation and try to find a relationship between the variable and the physical quantity being asked. Here variable is radius. Radius is getting half. But physical quantity is acceleration due to gravity. So how it is changing? So read the question carefully and think if acceleration due to gravity depends on three things. That is universal gravitational constant, which is always constant, mass and radius. So in some question, in some sets, like already I have mentioned in my previous video, questions are shuffling and ideas are also shuffling. So sometimes they may ask if diameter is half or diameter is increased into twice or 100% or 50%, or sometimes they may keep radius constant and mass can be changed. So you have to take a careful note on this question and discuss and think how to solve this question. So always in this type of questions, always try to establish a relationship between the physical quantity being asked and the quantity which is considered as variable. Then it's easy to calculate. I hope you enjoy this question. In my next video, I'll come with new questions. Thank you for attending my video. Kindly watch, like, share, and subscribe.